Amunia Akwaba Eba Melodies TV so NDC for National Communications Director and the General Secretary respectively. The very first one, Sami Jemfi and the Asiedun Ketia. One more than some atujua. Now, and then your first time will have subscribing and click the notification bell on so. And no any other screen so see we the latest news be about one sa ebeka. Ebiana will be a name the year Kamwasamendra. The president of the land, His Excellency Nanado Showboy Nana Guy Eba address Ghanaians for the fifth time. Now, what by no what the initiatives be eba say Ghana for Muntia water bill for 3 months. Ebimo just a yema companies be loan. Ejumaya for no a nurses for any a doctor for no yentimo tax. Just in some initiatives be na a very good. For these emergency times no. Ye benue diane na chese yakokruma ko cheche womo complain say womu chese womo ana womo edipa ende because of lockdown womu nye diane ndi no ye ko abechiche bia chese nyama bebre na eye. Now NDC for abe reacted to it for the first time Asiedun Ketia eka say oh wait dear Ekufuado waya ade na wanka ne kra na oboa na mi obi a ma monitor Ghanaian politics for a very long time no hardly say me hu say ebia NDC be ya ade na MPP unless maybe some individual people but ngofo be say bia Asiedun Ketia ana MPP for General Secretary ni say hardly say ebia NDC be ya ade no ma ba bonti abeka say NDC de mo aye na eye and say MPP be ya ade na NDC executives aba bonti abeka say de mo aye na eye omo say ne kra de Ekufuado aye ni na no wo mo ka say enya na omo boa ade a wa ya ade pa ba won say obia eye sana at least o won say bia wo be ka atua so nti e ho na mo ka say but there is more. Ekufuado can do more. But maybe they say at least they accepted the fact say at least what the president has done is good. And no enema Sami Jemfi so ebe tro ensem bi eto abonten. Mensa ekra ensem na wo tro enimu na me se me readi etremo na munia mu hu de Sami Jemfi so oka. Ni aka say wono so ebo wo mampanyi abaso ana say hwan na Sami Jemfi no wo pese ye bo na abaso. Oni o say folks, the new social intervention measures announced by President Ekufuado relative to the COVID-19 pandemic is laudable. The first opening statement awarded to Janono was the folks say the new social intervention measures announced. Not just say enyama Ekufuado endra what they betu just say because of coronavirus ya boa Ghana for no. Nekre and ya debia. E was say ye born abaso e ye loud double thing na Ekufuado wa ye. And I will was answer the tears say as a party that is inclined to social democratic principles, the NDC believes that providing some safety net to cushion the vulnerable and Ghanaians at large is a vital necessity in a time like this. Was it ye can NDC and this is one thing NDC for believe say one more socialist. Just say one more for the people. One more there for the good of Ghana mind. NDC for one more believe no. Until was it as NDC for one more party one more believing in social democratic principles no. NDC for ehun say yes, the Ekufuado ya what they boa Ghana for boa womono dia I say it is a vital necessity in a time like this. Now I have say and what the twist no a boss was say we therefore support any policy or program that is intended to cushion Ghanaians against the impact of the pandemic. NDC for a supported idea Akufo-Addo na yenti. He has made it in the first and second paragraph. The communication director and the top communication officer of NDC has made it known. So wait there. Now let's continue with the twist. What they account, and then you see say politicians there. A year they crana, or bo abaso crana, or the same be everybody film. I say ebia yama Gary. Aha, obe kan fo se o Gary no ede obe ha na tese wasan hwegum. Aha, sa na ete. But yen there, for the very first time, that's what I'm saying. For the very first time, I have not seen this before. Ghana has said it is not normal. Say aban eye adie bi na eye krana opposition emba bonte embeka. The best they will do is say they will keep quiet about it. But the fact that NDC for kasa say oh we dey Akufo-Addo aya adie womo dey so account no, the fact that womo acknowledge say we dey Akufo-Addo aya adie no me eno na eye me de. Now let's go to the twist. What they account was say indeed most of the newly announced interventions such as free water, distribution of free food to deprived communities in lockdown areas, provision of insurance to our frontline health workers, local production of personal protective equipment, among others, were first canvassed by His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. We are glad that at long last, President Akufo-Addo is beginning to adopt these recommendations. The what can I say? Akufo-Addo aya adie papa. Now so e was say Ghana for who say enyama we near Akufo-Addo aye no. Eye Mahama e na wo kan first. Say e was say Akufo-Addo wo ye enyama we. Na wo mo NDC for bo mani age say at least Akufo-Addo etie ensam a Mahama e ka kire no. Obi be ka say NDC for no. NDC for no. Si se be mo boa ne Mahama Akufo-Addo anyewe Mahama anyewe na mo ka say. But you see, the truth of the matter is, the person me read this statement be a Mahama edebae. Now me read this statement ne tremo me trense mu atremo. Now the statement was a statement Mahama said embra na wo make donation around. No, before the donation kra no Mahama echo around na wo keka nsem bi can say e was say aban yesi, e was say aban yesi. Mami read the statement and this statement was made on April 3rd. Embra Akufo-Addo ebe announce those release no na a 5th April. But Mahama made this statement on April 3rd. Was say it is time to utilize the stabilization fund to build some additional buffers for the economy and cushion the population. These measures may include short-term temporary tariff relief in respect of utilities. Not to say na Mahama can say Ghana your fund be a friend stabilization fund and anka ye dey ato ho say ahotre ba Ghana for so a ye de beboa Ghana for na nyame adom nti ahotre emba Ghana for so da it is a stabilization fund no ye use nti Mahama Babonten on 3rd April ebeka say this is the time e was say ye use a stabilization fund no na ye dey tia Ghana for wo mo bills ema wo mo and to cushion the population and additional buffers for the economy. So Mahama said this thing or these things on 3rd April. In the NDC for so there one more can say Akufo-Addo aye dia na tre say the Mahama kan Akufo-Addo etie. But the truth of the matter is akoye say ebia me wasem bi ehye mitrim say oh ebia my plan say me pese me ye bibi. Na me mbo so entry wo bi aye. Na wobi ebia me ye imagine say meye ade no ebia next 2 days na wobi aba be ka tell me say oh melodies me pese wo yese se me ba bontin meye ade na nkrofo be fi say nipa ko ne tre me say me nya ade no intia na meye eye nyansasem na me ka no nkrofo be fi say nipa ko no e ka tre me say me nya no intia na meye be san say obi an ni mitrim man boss one tre wo bia nti no na wo bia enim say eye plan na map fase meye de dada ansa na wo kra wo be ka atre me. So this could be even a perfect example like that. We be to me a perfect example of what I am talking about. And you know, yes, a idea eda ho, but all in all, me de me can say ne kre a idea bia we NDC ni kra na your leaders have come out to say we dear I've seen some NDC communicators be can say and then there was a jubilate na Akufo-Addo na no ma corona na ba Ghana and then there was say ye born abaso say waye we ono na and I say oh mum panyifo kra can say Akufo-Addo ayade na mum kola no mo hihya ase they play politics. Anyway, mon tre mo adwen e wo comment box mo tie for me da ase.